In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Exness Broker. Now to do this, first you want to create an account and then you want to sign into your account and you'll get the access to your Exness personal area. Inside your personal area here, you can then use all the features Exness offers. So I'm gonna walk you through all of these and what they do and how to use them. And if you want any more in-depth tutorials on how to use different things inside Exness and of course the web terminal, I do have a playlist linked at the end of this video which you can click on, and in there you'll find tens upon tens of tutorials which are going to teach you exactly how to use different features. So over here, first you have this side panel on the left where most things can be found. If you go to trading, you have 4 tabs. This one is accounts, and of course it has the real and demo tab for your real and the demo accounts. From here, to open a new one, you want to click on open account here, and you can of course go and follow all these steps to open new accounts. From here, you can also go and deposit and withdraw from real accounts, or of course set the balance for your demo accounts. And for more settings, you can click on the 3 dots and you'll see the options of archiving, editing, etc. At the bottom, you can see your archived accounts. If you have any of them in the archive, you'll find them over here and you can restore them later if you need to. From here, you have this performance tab. On the performance tab, you can basically see the summary for all your accounts or just individual accounts over here for the last 7, 30, 90, or 365 days. And you can of course see the charts for net profit, closed orders, trading volume, as well as the equity. Now from here you also can go to history of orders where you can see the order history for individual accounts. So if I click on, for example, this one, here's my order history. You can see all the things on here and you can see the open and closed orders. You can also set the time from start to end dates, or you can just do all time if you wanna. And if you want to download these as a CSV, hit this button over here. And there we go, a CSV has been downloaded onto your computer. Then you have the Exness terminal over here, which of course is a separate thing. So if you want to know exactly how to use the Exness web terminal and all the features it offers, I do have a separate step-by-step video teaching you exactly how to use all these features and what they do and where to find them. Okay, so go watch that for the in-depth web trading guide, or of course the guide of their web trader. Now from here you also have this payments and wallet section, and in here you have deposit, withdraw, etc. If you want to deposit, of course, you want to click on this button. You'll be able to of course select the type of deposit you want to do and then just go through the process. But for all of these, your account must be verified. As you can see, my account has not yet been verified. That's why of course I can't show you the exact steps, but it may differ. And of course your different options you're going to have here are going to differ depending on where you're from and etc. Okay, and of course the time, and if you're watching this in the future, it could also be that of course there may be more or less options available. Then if you click on withdraw over here, you could also go and withdraw. So as you can see, you have the options of a bunch of different withdrawals and transfers and whatnot. And of course, the transfer button allows you to transfer between your own accounts, of course, if you have multiple. Transaction history is going to show your transactions. So you have the option to basically see the filters. You could do a last 3, 7, 30, or 3 months, or do a custom date. You can do all transactions or simply just deposits, withdrawals, etc. You can see all statuses and filter by accounts as well. From here, last but not least, you have the crypto wallet where you can basically see your crypto wallet accounts, and of course you can go and deposit, withdraw, or transfer from those, and your external wallets as well in case you have added any. Then under insights over here, you have trading signals, which of course are going to show you the trading signals from Exness. You have news where you can read the news, and then the economic calendar as well, which is essentially the economic calendar. You can set it to wherever you want. And then you have the Exness benefits, where of course you can go and see trading conditions, savings, virtual private server if you meet the criteria and stuff like that. And then you also have the support hub where you can get support whenever you need it. Okay, you can open tickets, go to live chat, talk to them, etc. Then under profile, you can verify your account by clicking here and completing all of these steps. You can go to security to change your 2FA, your password, and of course your account security. And then you have the trading terminal, which allows you to set your default trading terminals for all your MT4 and MT5 accounts. Last but not least, you have this referred traders earn commissions button at the bottom, which takes you to your link. You can of course copy if you want to become a partner, and of course you can click on read more to see your affiliate dashboard, and of course you'll be able to then go and become an affiliate for Exness as well. Then from here up top you can see a bunch of things as well. This button is going to allow you to see your balance. You could also transfer and withdraw from here, and of course hide it if you wanna. This is going to allow you to pick between a light and dark theme. Here you can change your language. You can go and use different tools and services over here, like Trader's Calculator. You have the currency converter, tick history. You can download MT4 and MT5 platforms from Exness, etc. And you also have different things regarding trading and help as well. And then there's your notifications. If you have any, they're gonna pop up in here. And from here, you can quickly access the Exness terminal, the partnerships, or your current personal area where we are currently at. If you go to this button, you can also see kind of your email, the profile, and then trading conditions. And if you want to sign out of your account, this button is going to do exactly that. Now, last but not least, at the very bottom left bottom right over here, you can see the chat window. If you click on it, you can just go ahead and start the chat and basically talk to them. Okay, so I asked them, for example, how to change email, and this Exness bot over here answered it's not actually possible, etc. Okay, you can talk to them, ask them whatever you want, and the bot is going to help you. But if it can't, it's going to connect you to an agent, and that specific person is going to give you live help directly in here inside the chat box. Okay, so that's essentially kind of the basics of how to use the Exness broker and their personal area. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.